Nakakalungkot na balita ng laman ng social media ngayon. Barbie Fortesa at Jack Roberto hiwalay na. Sa post ng GMA Network at News 5, ito yung sabi ni Barbie sa kanyang social media account. Don't cry because it's over, smile because it happened. Having you in my life was the happiest it had ever been. 7 wonderful years, a lot of laughs, a lot of ramen, so much love. Love your was exceptional, but sometimes good things fall apart, so better things can come together. Beautiful goodbye, Jack. Thank you for loving me the way you did. I am excited for what to come for the both of us. You take care of yourself. You may find the love you deserve. I hope you everyone understanding, and I wish can help us putting mother to rest. Nakakalungkot na balita, hiwalay na sila Barbie at Jack. Sayang ni 7 years. Ito pa yung post ni Barbie, New Year. 2024 you were so colorful. So Taylor Swift at the Eras Tour US. Paid off our house. Personal growth. 2025 I'm so excited for you. Good luck both Barbie and Jack. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for my update. This is Richard Reaction Vlog. Stay tuned for my update. See ya.